Hey guys, Jordan here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm so happy to be filming again. I'm so happy to be here to do this video for you guys today. It seems as if I've gone for quite some time now, but never fear, I'm back and I have got a lash unboxing, try on and review for you today. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jordan. I do beauty and lifestyle content on my channel. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Enable all post notifications. And also, if you truly enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give me a thumbs down so I know that you like or you don't like this type of content. So let's jump into it.
Bye.
Alright, so the lashes that I'll be reviewing for today is from Amazon. This is a sponsored video, so these lashes were actually sent to me for me to review. This is the packaging. So it is Lanciley Magnetic Lashes and Eyeliner Kit. It is natural looking, long lasting, easy to use and easy to review. On the back of the packaging, it basically has ingredients, caution, tips, how to apply and how to remove. So I'm just gonna briefly run through the how to apply section and then we can just apply them. But then I'll unbox it and show you what the kit looks like. Alright, so the instructions are pretty simple and easy to follow. You typically, if you're used to wearing fake eyelashes, I usually bend my lashes to make them more flexible. They made that suggestion. They also advise you to apply the liner, but you should not let the liner completely dry before you apply the lashes so that they can bond together. So let's unbox this. Alright, so this is what the kit looks like. I will do a close-up shot for you guys. So basically it comes with a pair of tweezers, 2 liners, and you get 10 pairs of lashes. I must say I am digging a few of these lashes. I think I'm going to try this one right here. So let's go. All right, where was I? So I already have on liner, so let me check and see which one of these. So this is the black one. I will not be using this one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear one, given that I already have on mascara, and oh, the 2 of them are black, so none of them are clear. I am going to put on one off camera and then I will do the next one on camera for you guys. Okay guys, so I have one lash on. You're gonna take your lash glue and what I did was I applied the mascara close to my lash line. I'm gonna let it dry for probably like 10 seconds and then I apply my lashes. So I use both my finger and my tweezer to apply my lashes. You want to be careful to not let the magnetic strip touch the tweezer, because then of course magnets and metal, you know what happens. I like to start from the middle of my eye, not always though. Rolling my fingers to make sure it's where I want it to be, and boom, that's basically it. Very easy to apply, less than like a minute, and boom, these babies were on. All right, so this is what that is it for today's review. I hope you like this. I will give you guys a link to the product in my description bar down below. If you are interested, you can go ahead and check them out. It's on Amazon, and I mean, everybody knows Amazon, free shipping. Well, it's not really free, but fast shipping. So be sure to check them out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, as I said in the beginning, if you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel now, as well as to share your thoughts in the comment section on this review. Until next time, walk good.